Hello ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome to our channel Authentic Cryptos. Is your boy right here. Alright, it's no longer news that Paws AirDrop is going to be listing on different centralized exchanges on the 16th of April 2025, which is a couple of days from today. And it is very crucial that we do this important thing right now, okay? So if you know you participated in the project, then you have to take action immediately after watching this video. As we all know, most of us has submitted our centralized exchanges, our different centralized exchanges earlier last month or last 2 months thereabouts. So it is very important that we take a look of the details we provided earlier, re-verify it and make sure that everything is still accurate and intact the way we submitted it, to avoid series that touch on the listing day. Okay, so that's exactly what we'll be doing in this video. So first thing first, you have to head straight to the exchange you submitted the details and check the address and your UID and everything. Then come back right here in the Phantom DApp and re-verify your address. So I think the last time I remember I submitted my BitGet, right? So I'll be heading straight to my BitGet exchange, where I'm going to be verifying my Paws address, the user ID, and make sure that everything tallies. Okay, so it is very important that we do this to avoid series that pain the heart on the day of listing. All right, so this is it. First of all, I have to check at this upper part of the screen right here and make sure that my user ID is accurate. Okay, I can see it right here, 7887, stuff like that. Then I'll head straight to the deposit section, where I'll be checking the Paws address and see what I have there. So I have to come to assets right here, tap on the asset section, then swipe it to spot at the upper part of your screen right here. Then click on add funds, then you click on deposit crypto, then you come to this search bar, or should I say search menu, at this particular upper part and type Paws. So you guys can see it's still in my search history. So all I have to do is just to tap on it, Paws, and see my details, right? So this is my details right here for Paws. So it started with G8RX and ended with TVDQ, stuff like that. So I've already verified everything. It's now time for me to go back to my browser in my Phantom and re-verify what I have there. Okay, so do well to take this particular action immediately after watching this video. It is a very important something, right, to avoid had I know. Okay, so it will not take much of your time, but it is very important that we refresh what we've done earlier and make sure that everything is intact and accurate the way it's supposed to be. Okay, to avoid losing your Paws tokens. All right, so let me wait for it to load up, then I will proceed to that browser of my Phantom. Okay, so once you're in your Phantom, you guys know how we do it. You come to the browsing session right here, you tap on it, then you wait for it to come up. So you have to type Paws.community right here, or better still, I'll be leaving the link to their dashboard in the description section and comment section of this video. You have to do is just to copy it, come here and paste it and proceed. So it's still here under my search bar. You guys can see recent, so Paws.community. I'll tap on it. You guys can see this thing right here, Paws.community, the website. Okay, so you wait for it to come up. Alright, so once you're on your dashboard, just trail up to this TG dashboard immediately. That is where we have concern, right? So okay, so this is it right here. They may give you the option to connect your wallet. Just make sure you connect your Phantom wallet the way we did it. So my own has opened and you guys can see, congrats, everything is still intact the way we left it, right? So they said the information is saved. Your tokens will be available for trading once the market opens, right? So everything is checked right here, and you guys can see my UID is correct, 7887 then 80 at the end. Then this is the 4 digits that start my address, G8RS, and the 4 digit that ended it, TVDQ, and my allocation right here. So everything is okay and I'm good to go. So we are just hoping for the best for this particular project. So do well to just do exactly as I did in this particular video and make sure that you are good to go as well. All right. So Paws AirDrop is going to be listing on the 16th of April 2025, which is on Wednesday, 1 p.m. Nigerian time. So mark your calendars, guys. And that's a very quick recap for me. On the 16th of April 2024, Notcoin was listed and a lot of people made their first million through this space, which means that, let's say, Notcoin changed a lot of lives on the 16th of April 2024, and Paws now is replicating the same thing, listing on the 16th of April 2025. That is exactly 1 year after Notcoin listing. Are we going to see history repeating itself on the 16th? Well, we don't really know. We just have to keep our hands locked and hope for the best from Paws. Maybe probably we may see a replica or history repeating itself again 1 year after in the airdrop crypto space. But anyhow it turns out to be, we'll just accept it and accept our fate and stuff like that, and we keep moving. So that is just that in this particular video. Do well to mark your calendar and stay tuned on our channel, because whenever there's any updates concerning the listing and every other crypto or airdrop related information, I'll still get you guys updated and posted. Right, so that is just that. If you really watched to this particular instance, thank you guys for sticking around. Till I come your way, I'll see you guys in our next video. And if this is your first time coming across our channel, do well to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you will not miss out on any content that will come in our channel. Till I come your way next time, stay safe and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye for now. And a quick one, guys. That reminds me, even though you were not eligible, I think I just felt the need to say this. I think it's coming at the ending part of this video, but I still have to say it. Even though you are not eligible at the initial time that the eligibility criteria was carried out, I'll still advise you, so far you know you participated in Paws AirDrop, I'll still advise you to follow this particular process and recheck your dashboard, right? Recheck your dashboard. As we all know, after the first verification, a lot of people reached out to me that they were not eligible, but along the line, they just went back and checked their dashboard and boom, they saw that they were eligible. So the truth of the matter is that sometimes glitches do happen and everything is possible on earth and probably in this place, right? So, and as we all know, miracle not retire Jesus. So you may not be eligible earlier, but if you just open your dashboard and boom, guys, maybe all this time that they have been taking, they are working at the backroom staff. So if you don't check, you will not know. So you will not take anything out of you. Just go and recheck your wallet, check your dashboard and see what you have there, right? So probably you may get your allocation, you may get qualified and verified and get some allocation, then you will see what you have, right? Then we wait for the on-chain withdrawal during the listing period, right? So that is just that. And for those asking, you are going to be receiving your tokens earlier before the listing. Let's say few minutes or few hours before the listing, you will be receiving your tokens in your wallets, right, as we gear up for the listing and everything. So that is just what I want to add. Okay, so stay safe, guys, and enjoy yourself. Bye bye.